What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So today we're going to be talking about NIO. The stock is currently at $19.46. It's down 1.09% for the day and down 2.21% in the after hours. So it's a really great day for NIO, guys. The August delivery numbers came out today. Aside from that, NIO has completed the stock offering. They ended up selling 101.7 million shares. I did 2 videos on this prior, so make sure you check that out. But really briefly here, they plan on using the proceeds as follows. $600 million will be used to acquire an additional 1.9% stake in the shell company NIO China, which was created in conjunction with the strategic investors from Hefei a while ago when NIO was facing bankruptcy. So they actually put a portion of their assets into that company. So they're getting their stake back now at this time. $357 million will be used to buy out some of the shareholders of NIO China, giving them up to an additional 8.6% stake in NIO China. The remainder of the cash will be used for research and development as it pertains to autonomous driving technology, global market development, and general corporate purposes. So now on to the delivery news. Let's take a step back here. June and July were 2 of NIO's biggest months. Okay, for June, NIO had its biggest month ever. Prior to this month, they delivered 3,740 vehicles. For July, that was their second biggest month, in which they delivered 3,533 vehicles. So both of these months were just flat out amazing. But keep in mind that for July, NIO was supply constrained. So even though the deliveries dipped a little bit, it was still NIO's second month. Now they were actually supply constrained because in the Hefei area there was flooding, so that caused them to shut down the factory for about 5 days, if I remember correctly. So even with that happening, they still had their second best month in the company's history. Now, knowing that the general trend in deliveries was increasing, last month they kind of dipped a little bit because they were supply constrained, and that NIO did a stock offering right before the August deliveries came out. We can come to the assumption that this month has to be a good month, right? At least that's how I was thinking. In August, they delivered 3,965 vehicles, making August NIO's biggest and best month ever in terms of delivery. This record delivery number represents a 104.1% increase year over year. So the same quarter last year, that's 104% more. Year to date, NIO has delivered 21,667 vehicles as of the end of August. The breakdown on the deliveries for this month is 2,840 ES6, and then it's going to be 1,125 ES8. Now, if we go back to the Q1 earnings call, remember that they said the ES6 and the ES8 pretty much sell at a 1-to-3 ratio. So for every 1 ES8 they sell, they're selling about 3 ES6. This makes sense because one of the general trends in auto is that consumers are demanding smaller, more compact vehicles. So keep in mind that for September's delivery numbers, the EC6, which was just released and is a more compact SUV than the ES6, should have an increase in delivery numbers if this trend holds true. So it's going to be interesting to see how the EC6 impacts delivery. Since inception, NIO has delivered 53,580 vehicles. Remember that 21,667 happened just this year in 2020. So NIO continues to make 2020 its year and have its best year ever. So let's actually see what William Li, the CEO, had to say. In August, we achieved our best ever monthly performance on both deliveries and order growth, said William Bin Li, founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of NIO. As we continue to improve the production capacity for all NIO products, our monthly capacity will reach 5,000 units in September to support our future deliveries. With the closing of our recent announced ADS offering, we have further enhanced our balance sheet and optimized our capital structure to be better prepared for the acceleration of our core technology development and autonomous driving in particular, and in the global market expansion in the future. So just like I was thinking, the EC6 should push NIO to at least 4,000 deliveries. So we'll have to see how that plays out. I do believe September is going to be NIO's biggest month ever once again, as the general trend has just been increasing. So that's going to be it for this video. You guys make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.